Solving RLC circuit using methods of undetermined coefficients. So, meron tayong model dito guys, which consists of RLC, 4 ohms, and the inductor is 0.1 H, and the capacitor is 0.025 F. Then, yung voltage is 10 T e to the 10t. We're gonna use the KVL formula. KVL, the summation of all voltage in the loop. Yung equation natin guys is ganito kalalabasan. V is equals to R plus L di dt plus 1 over C integral of I dt. There is our model. Then the KVL formula na gagamitin natin. So for voltage meron tayong 10 T e to the 10t. Then the resistor is 4 ohms, which is 4I, then plus 0.1 di over dt plus 1 over C integral of I dt. Then i-derive muna natin tong di over dt. So copy lang 10 t e to the 10t equals 4I plus 0.1 I prime, derivative ng di over dt, then plus 1 over yung capacitor natin, which is 0.025, then the integral of I dt. Para mawala tong integration na part, so i-differentiate natin siya into di over dt. We have 110 t e to the 10t equals to 4I prime plus 0.1 I prime prime plus 1. So divide natin, magiging 40. Ang matitira dito is I. Arrange lang natin to. So 0.1 I prime prime plus 4I prime plus 40I equals to 100t to the 10t. So this is a non-homogeneous ODE. So para maging homogeneous siya, gagamit tayo ng characteristic equation. Masisimplify natin to. So let S is equal to I prime, then S squared is equal to I prime prime. So masisimplify natin siya. We have S plus 20 squared. Separate natin S plus 20 and S plus 20. S equals to negative 20. And we have here our roots. So meron tayong same roots, which is negative 20 and the negative 20. We have IC equals D sub 1 e to the negative 20t plus d sub 2 t e to the negative 20. So this is our complementary solution. By finding the general solution, we use I equals IC plus the IP. So we have our IC, meron na tayong IC. So next natin is hanapin is yung IP. Sulat muna natin yung equation natin. Then itong 100t e to the 10t, dito natin kukunin yung IP natin. Gagamitin natin to, let's say ito yung QX natin. So i-derive lang natin siya without the constant coefficients. So t e to the 10t, derivative ng t e to the 10t is 10 t e to the 10t plus 10 e to the 10t. Cancel lang yun natin tong 10, yung constant coefficients natin. Then ito na-express na siya, so cancel na natin yan. Tapos i-derive natin tong e to the 10t is 10 e to the 10t, so cancel, na-express na siya kaya cancel. Then we have here our IP, which is the t e to the 10t plus e to the 10t. Derive lang natin siya para makuha natin yung a prime and a prime prime. Then ito na siya guys, yung dinerive natin. So i-distribute lang natin siya doon sa ating equation. Then copy lang muna natin to. I-distribute natin yan mamaya yung value ng I prime prime natin tsaka yung I prime at yung I. First is yung I prime prime, which is 0.1. I-distribute natin siya dito sa ating I prime prime. Then we come up with this. Next is yung ating I prime, which is 4. I-distribute natin siya sa ating I prime p. Then we have this. Then last is yung ating I, which is 40. Then isi-separate lang natin yung lahat ng may t e to the 10t and yung lahat ng may e to the 10t. Then add lang natin yung may mga same term. So ito 10 plus 40 plus 40 is 90. So meron tayong 90 t e to the 10t. Then dito meron tayong 10a plus 10a plus 40a is 60a plus yung lahat ng b natin, which is 90b. Then para makuha natin yung IP natin is ihahambing lang natin yung QX natin kanina, which is ito, sa mga nakuha nating sagot. So sa QX natin kanina, ang value ng TE to the 10T is 100. So equal to yung TE to the 10T natin dito is ito, yung 90. Then divide lang natin siya to 100. Then we have 0.9. So our A is equal to 0.9. Then yung ating E to the 10T naman, so dito wala tayong E to the 10T sa QX natin, so 0 siya. Equal to the, yung E to the 10T natin dito is 60A plus 90B. Multiply lang natin yung 60 natin dito sa ating A, which is 0.9 plus 90B. Then we have here 0 equals to 60 times 0.9 is 54 plus 90b. Then yung b natin, which is yung 90, itra-transpose lang natin sa magiging negative 90 equals to 54. Then 54 divided negative 90 equals to negative 0.6. So b is equals to negative 0.6. Then nakuha na natin yung value ng a tsaka yung b natin. So to finalize, I p is equal to yung a natin, which is 0.9 t e to the 10t minus 0.6 e to the 10t. Then we have here our IP. So given yung general solution, which is I is equal to IC plus IP, i-add lang natin yung IC natin doon sa ating IP. So kanina nakuha na natin yung IC, which is ito. So copy lang natin yan. I is equal to D sub 1 E to the 10t plus D sub 2 T E to the 10t. Then add lang natin yung IP natin, which is ito. So plus 0.9 T E to the 10t minus 0.6 E to the 10t. At ito na yung ating general solution. I equals D sub 1 E to the negative 20 plus D sub 2 T E to the negative 20 plus 0.9 T E to the 10t plus or minus 0.6 E to the 10t. That's all, and thank you for watching.